Alrighty, I'm recording the sewer line here at 2012 33rd Avenue South. The date is July 16th, 2020. This is the final recording I'm making after we've done quite a bit of work out here to restore this sewer line. So what I'm looking at now is the Seattle City main. We're recording this from the new cleanout we installed out here. But there's the city main, and we're going to come back. So the proposal says within a foot of the main. We are easily within a foot of the main. There is the main. And there's our end of our liner, so about 8 inches away from the main. We're going to come back. We're now in 6-inch new flow installed liner. Come back a little, around a little turn there, upside down. Let me flip us over. See a little bit of sewage running along the bottom of the pipe there. That is perfectly normal, as it is a sewer pipe. And around another little turn there. That's where that clean out is out in the front. That clean out looks like it's settled a little bit. That's not a Bob Oates installed clean out. It's settled down a little bit, causing a slight pool there, but I'm not too concerned with that. That's the 4x6 connection as well. So it goes from 4-inch right here to 6-inch pipe there. Like I said, a little bit of pooling, but it's got good grade after that, so I'm not super concerned about it at all. So we're coming back now into the 4-inch stretch of pipe that is right near there, right near that clean out. And so we're in 4-inch new flow liner now, coming back towards the house. Very nice liner install, very smooth. And we're coming back towards the clean out now. So there's the new pipe we installed. So Bob Oates dug up and installed this new pipe here. I'm going to pull back through this clean out install. You get a look at it. And then I will show you the pipe work there. So there's the new clean out. There is the tie-in to where it ties into the house there, and there's that second line that exits the house that's also tied in inside of the clean out here, or inside of this trench. That's the end of the video, and finishing the recording. Perfectly executed.